Okay, folks, I've never done this before. I'm intrigued by it. We'll see how it goes. I really don't know what this is going to end up being. So let's find out what happens. Okay. Instructions. Beginning at point X, draw lines connecting the following points numerically. All angles are given from the horizontal axis. Please number clearly each point on the drawing. Please number clearly each point on the drawing. Interesting. Okay, so we're going to make points too. So when you make a point when you're drafting, this is the letter X. The point is this little crosshair. So points usually, little pencil, here we go, usually are drawn like this. This is a point. And when you're drawing and drafting, that is a way that you're denoting that, that it's a point. So here, let's give this a try. Okay. Draw up, left, 30 degrees for 1 1/8 inch. Okay, so we're going to be using, this is going to be a little tricky because it's got, the ruler has centimeters on one side and inches on the other. So what that means we're going to have to do is get out our architect scale, go to inches, go to the full inch marker, and remember, I'll use the big one again because it's easier to read on the video. Remember, we need to have 16 or 32 hash marks in between. So 1 1/8 inch. So here's half, here's quarter, here's eighth. So we're going to go up and to the left 30 degrees. Here's how we make 30 degrees. 1 1/8 inch. So let's put this down on the bottom down here. Try to get it as even with this line on the bottom as possible. Well, maybe I'll go up here actually. Let's try the date line right down here. And we're gonna slide it over until we're right at the X. Okay, so I'm parallel with this line. Yeah, this is trickier without the drafting board. Here we have 1 1/8 inch. I'm going to draw very lightly. Up to the left 30 degrees, 1 1/8 inch. Okay, what's next? From this point, this is point 1, so we'll draw a little X here and label it. From point 1, we're going to draw up and to the left 60 degrees for 1/2 inch. So up and to the left, 60 degrees, 1/2 inch. So I'm going to line it up on the line down here. We'll drop in our scale. Make sure you're as even with this black line down here as possible. And we're going to go up from here to here, ending right about there. So now we're going to do our point. That's point 2. Okay. Up and to the left 30 degrees. Oh, see, that was up and to the right. I already screwed up. Well, when you make a mistake, you erase it. I don't know if I'll start this video over or not. So let's get our eraser out. I'm glad I get to show you the eraser shield because I haven't shown you that yet. When you're doing a precision drawing, because this does say up and to the left 60 degrees, it should have gone that way. When you're doing a precision drawing and you want to keep your old marks, but if you drag your whole eraser across it, chances are you're going to erase more than you want to. This eraser shield, and you'll notice when you put it down on the paper, it's a little rough. There's one side that's very smooth, one side that's a little rough because the machine that cuts these little pieces out has a little bit of a tooth to it. So I like to put the rough side down so it sticks to the paper a little bit, and then you reveal only what you want to erase. See how I'm doing that? So that way I don't accidentally erase more than I need to. So that's how an eraser shield works. So let's go back here. This is number 1. And 2 is up and to the left 60 degrees. So up and to the left 60 degrees. Well, the question is, are we going 60 degrees from this line or 60 degrees from this line? Oh, all angles are given from the horizontal axis. Okay, all right. So if that was 30, this is 60. Up and to the left, 60 degrees. Find our 16 or 32 scale. Try to line it up with the horizontal axis as best as possible. From this point, we're going in, what was it? We're going a 1/2 inch, just like that. Okay, so there's number 2. Number 3, up and to the left, 30 degrees for a 1/4 inch. So 30 degrees for 1/4 inch. Here's our 30-degree angle. We're gonna line it up with the black line down here on the bottom and move the ruler over until it intersects with this line. And we're gonna go 1/4 inch. So this is 1 inch, that's a 1/2 inch, that's a 1/4. Just gonna do like this. So this is 0.3. It's taking longer than I thought, so I'll probably do another video here in a minute. Let's get halfway through it. Number 4, down vertically, straight down vertically for 1/4 inch. We can actually use this guy for that because we can go straight down with this ruler. So let's line it up